Well, hey, it's Rick here, and we're going to take off and go see a 4th of July celebration with drones. So, never seen anything quite like that, so I don't know if this camera will pick any of it up, but we're going to try it, and if you're seeing this, then that means there's a video. Show you more. Well, just tell us what you think about 4th of July when people talk about the 4th of July.
Well, I think the 4th of July is more than just a holiday, and yeah. I think a lot of people have forgotten what our origins and our celebration of our independence and independence from tyranny and being told what to do and what to own and where to go. And I think 4th of July for me reflects just our independence from that subject in general. So.
Okay, well, you heard it from Justin there, folks.
Yeah.
Don't see too many faces coming in the rain to hear the jazz is blowing that sound way on down south, way on down south, London town.
Hello. Yeah, that's very festive.
These are last year's.
Oh.
We haven't gotten to this year's yet.
You saw Rob down there.
Yeah, I did too. I was down there.
Back way, fire in the hole.
So tell us, Rob, what do you think about the 4th of July? What's the 4th of July mean to you?
Well, it's the greatest weekend in the entire history of mankind because the 4th of July, when they set off the fireworks, that just marks the celebration of my birthday on July the 5th.
Well, there you go.
That is so cool.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, it's playing drums. Okay, I thought it was rockets at first. I couldn't tell. There's the United States.
Clippers need to take that one tree down.
Yeah. USA. That is cool. Yeah. Well, maybe it's like over there in Utah, you know, there's some force field keeping them from working correctly. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Ooh, that's neat.
Talking about him.
That's cool. Look how it looks like it's coming this way.
I know.
It's coming right at us. They must have been some of the supporters of it. I'm going to stand up there.
Who hates that one?
Now, what is that? Oh, the black, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they need to cut their trees down.
Like all the other people's, yes.
Surprisingly, that tree never got the streetlights on. I thought it was a trestle for a bridge.
Me too, I said it's
Ireland. They're playing polka music right now. It's just music on the PA. Oh, that's pretty cool there. We did that yesterday instead of that song. I guess wood because this is a wood capital of the world, or it used to be. There we go. Scooter. Filling it up. I'm not sure what that is. That's going to be USA. 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 Yeah, the state of Indiana. Just can't see the bottom. I would have thought it would have been too. Yeah. Wildcats. That one almost hit one over. cool from over there on the old, at the country club or whatever that place
They're making smart